One of the biggest green flags in a partner is how they handle a simple inconvenience. It could be a long traffic jam, a waiter getting their coffee order wrong, or a sudden change of plans. These small, everyday frustrations are a window into a person's emotional world. Their reaction tells you more about their capacity for a healthy relationship than a dozen perfect dates. We spend a lot of time learning to spot red flags, the big warning signs of unhealthy behavior. But knowing what green flags to look for is just as important. This video is a guide to those green flags. We will be exploring the quiet, consistent, and often subtle signals of a secure partner. These are the signs that are easy to miss, especially if your relationship history has been filled with drama and intensity. Learning to recognize these signals is about training your eyes to see the beauty in stability and the strength in quiet consistency. It is about understanding what a safe and healthy connection truly looks and feels like. To understand these signals, we need to explore the core principles of secure attachment in action. Secure attachment isn't about being a perfect partner or living in a state of constant bliss. It is about a consistent pattern of behavior over time. It's a way of being in the world that is built on three pillars: emotional regulation, consistency, and a healthy balance between autonomy and connection. A person with a secure attachment style is not someone who never gets upset. They are someone who can manage their emotions without letting them hijack the relationship. They're also consistent. Their behavior and their affections are reliable, which creates a deep sense of safety. And finally, they are able to be both a whole, independent person and a committed, connected partner. They do not lose themselves in the relationship, nor do they hold the relationship at arm's length. It's this combination, this pattern of behavior, that forms the foundation of a truly healthy partnership. It is what we are looking for when we talk about green flags. This brings us to our first and perhaps most important green flag: the ability to rupture and repair. No relationship is free from conflict or misunderstanding. Even the healthiest couples have disagreements and moments where they hurt each other's feelings. These moments are called ruptures. The true test of a relationship is not the absence of ruptures, but what happens after them. A secure partner is not someone who never makes a mistake. They are someone who acknowledges their mistakes, takes responsibility, and actively works to repair the connection. Repair can look like a sincere apology. It can be a willingness to listen to your perspective, even if it's difficult. It is the ability to say, "I was wrong, and I'm sorry I hurt you. How can we fix this?" This is profoundly different from a partner who becomes defensive, denies their actions, or blames you for their reaction. Someone who cannot repair a connection leaves you feeling alone and invalidated. Someone who actively repairs is showing you that the relationship is more important to them than their own ego. They're showing you that you are safe to have feelings, even when those feelings are messy. A second, more subtle green flag is a partner who is comfortable with boredom. Our culture often equates love with intense excitement, drama, and a constant spark. If you have a history of chaotic relationships, a calm and stable connection can feel strange, even boring. But a partner who doesn't need constant excitement or validation is a sign of a very healthy nervous system. They can enjoy quiet moments of simple coexistence without feeling anxious. This could be reading in the same room, taking a quiet walk, or running errands together. Their sense of connection is not dependent on thrilling activities or intense emotional highs. They are not looking to you to be their source of entertainment or to soothe their chronic anxiety. They can just be with you. This comfort with the simple, everyday moments of life is a powerful indicator of emotional maturity. It shows that they find peace in your presence, not just a thrill. This is the difference between anxious chemistry and genuine, secure intimacy. This leads to a third important green flag. They celebrate your wins warmly. In a healthy partnership, you are a team. Your individual successes are a win for the team. A secure partner has a solid sense of their own self-worth, so they're not threatened by your achievements. In fact, they're genuinely happy for you. They cheer you on, they're proud of you, and they see your growth as something that enriches the relationship. This is in contrast to an insecure partner who might become competitive, subtly undermine your success, or make your achievements about them. If you get a promotion, a secure partner's reaction is, "That's amazing, you deserve it." An insecure partner's reaction might be, "That's great, but now you'll be even busier." Listen for a genuine lack of competition. Look for a partner who is your biggest cheerleader, not your secret rival. This is a clear sign that they have the capacity to build a life based on mutual support, not on ego. So how can we become better at noticing these green flags in our own lives? One safe practice is to become a better observer, particularly of how a person tells their own story. The next time you're with someone, listen to how they talk about their past relationships, their friendships, or their work life. Specifically, listen for patterns of blame versus patterns of responsibility and empathy. Do they describe all of their ex-partners as crazy? Do they talk about past conflicts as if they were always the victim? Or are they able to reflect on their own role in what happened? Can they speak about others with a sense of compassion, even if the relationship ended? A person who consistently blames others for their problems is showing you that they lack the capacity for self-reflection. A person who can take responsibility, on the other hand, is showing you that they have the capacity to learn and grow, which is essential for rupture and repair. Another powerful practice is to turn your attention inward. After you spend time with someone, take a quiet moment to check in with your own body. Ask yourself this simple question: how do I feel in my body right now? More relaxed or more on edge? Your nervous system is a finely tuned instrument. It picks up on thousands of subtle cues from the people around you. Quietly, it often knows if someone is safe long before your conscious mind can articulate why. If you consistently feel tense, anxious, or drained after being with someone, that's important information. Your body might be telling you that you're walking on eggshells or managing their emotions. But if you consistently feel calm, grounded, and relaxed in their presence, that's also powerful information. It's a sign that your nervous system perceives them as safe. Learning to trust these physical signals is a vital part of choosing a healthy partner. In the end, secure partners provide a sense of peace, not a roller coaster of emotions. The journey to a healthy relationship is often about unlearning the idea that love must be a struggle. It's about valuing consistency over intensity and repair over perfection. The right partnership should feel like a safe harbor, not a storm you have to constantly navigate. What is one small green flag of security you can start to look for in your connections this week?